Define momentum, state its unit.
The amount of mass traveling with defined velocity is known as momentum.
Correct. What which will have more momentum, a cricket ball or a tennis ball thrown with the same speed? Why? Which will have more momentum? Okay, I'm erasing this. We'll go with the next point. I will show you what happened. Cricket ball. So what is momentum?
The amount of mass traveling with a defined velocity.
The amount of mass traveling with a defined velocity in a particular direction is known as momentum. Okay, the P is equal to momentum equal to mass into velocity. Okay, clear? P equal to m into v. So now from here only I will give the reasoning. A cricket ball or a tennis ball thrown with the same speed, which has more momentum? So same speed means v equal to constant. Cases like this, now m is left. So p is directly proportional to m, which is having more mass. Cricket ball or tennis ball? Cricket ball. 4-piece ball. It is more weight. You are playing cricket, na? You know, na? So its mass is more, therefore its momentum more. So cricket ball has than tennis ball. There is more injuries in cricket than as compared to tennis. That's why. I am also a good player of cricket. That's why injuries are very permanent.
Cricket ball
Mari? Due to this is called mallet injury. That time what I did, I neglected. That's why it became permanent like this. What is the magnitude of momentum? What is the magnitude of momentum?
magnitude.
What is magnitude? In vector quantity and scalar quantity, you know, na? What is the magnitude in that? In vector quantity, magnitude is a value of momentum. Thinking lot of time. Ante, mass into vela sink into. That is only magnitude. Direction is not there. Define 1 Newton force. 1 Newton force. Definition given. देखो. Yes. What is Newton? Newton equal to mass into acceleration. When 1 kg of body is possessing an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a linear direction. In a direction. It is known as 1 Newton. Define impulsive force. Give an example. What is impulse? Impulsive force तो कुछ नहीं है, impulse ही है वो भी. What is impulse? It is the effect of force applied for a short duration. Okay. A best example is catching of a ball. Okay. That is called impulse. So impulse is given by change in momentum of a body. Therefore it is defined of F into T. What is the relationship between acceleration and mass of the body?
Acceleration, mass of the body.
7 का ये देखो. What is it? 7 का A क्या है? So what is its relation between mass and acceleration? Force equal to mass into acceleration. Force and acceleration. What is the relation between force and acceleration? Mass equal to force by acceleration. Impulse and momentum. What is impulse? Impulse equal to force into force for short duration time. What is impulse and momentum? It is asked. But what is the force rate of change of momentum? dp by dt into t is impulse. Change in momentum is this one. dp is change in momentum. So dp equal to I. Impulse is nothing but dp. So what is that? It is change in momentum. Already I told earlier. Impulse is equal to change in momentum. That's why calculus is useful. This is told in 12th class, but I have made you learn now. Why? Because it will understand it easily. I took that class on trigonometry and I took the class on calculus only because you will become clear about the ideology. First chapter mein. So this is the way you can do it very easily. You are getting? हाँ और बोलो next one. Give reasons. 8 का ये देखो. Karate player can break a pile of tiles in a single blow. That you all can write it. A fielder moves his arms backward in the direction of the ball while taking a catch. All these are big reasons. This you can write theory. There is nothing concept involved here. A athlete is made to fall on a sand bed while performing a high jump athletic event. Why? ये बताओ. A person who is stuck on some floor and he has no other option to come inside. He has to fall down only. उसके लिए फायर स्टेशन वाले नीचे आके एकदम एक बेड तैयार करते हैं. क्यों? If he falls also, to save him. If he falls on the ground, why? Because hard concrete. Similarly, sand. When the athlete is taking the jump and he is falling on the ground, on the sand, if he falls, sand is smooth. Therefore, he will not be hurt. What happens in the smoothness? What do you know? Impulse becomes more. You are getting my point or not getting? When impulse increases, what happens? Effect of force decreases. If time duration increases, force effect decreases. Time duration it is increasing. When you are landing and touching that, you are going somewhere down. नीचे जाओगे ना इसके अंदर स्मूथ वाले के अंदर तो क्या करेगा? Force आराम से your motion will slowly come down to rest. Immediately coming down to rest will lead to effect. Shockers are provided in vehicles to reduce the effect of ground disturbances by reducing the force, by increasing the time duration of it, and it is also helping cushioning effect. Clear? Application of Newton's second law. Next, come to worksheet. If mass of a body is doubled, its acceleration will, if the applied force remains the same, becomes double. B not change. C becomes half, becomes 4 times. So now what is happening? The mass of the body is doubled. 2m is कर दिया. Then force is equal to 2m into force is constant. Now what will become acceleration equal to? You know F by m is old acceleration 1/2, so it becomes half. Okay, next one. Unit of momentum is kilogram
meter per second.
meter per second.
Square momentum.
Kilogram meter per second square. Why?
Second.
Think before you tell.
And
Sharon. ఎందుకు అలా చెప్పేస్తారు? ఏదో ఏదో లడలడ చెప్పేయాలని చెప్పేయడమే. Why? Go slow. We are not rushing na here. We have lot of time. Do slowly, cautiously, slow. Think, then do. So kg is for mass, velocity for meter per second. So we have kg meter per second. So fourth option is the correct option. The relationship between force, mass and acceleration is given by, so C option is the correct option here. Next, fourth problem. Two balls A and B of masses m and 2m are in motion with velocity 2v and v respectively. The momentum are in the ratio. Momenta are, momentum both are same. Momenta are in the ratio. Now you should tell me this answer.
1:1.
Good, 1:1 is the correct answer. Fifth one, two balls A and B of mass m and 3m are in motion with velocities 3v and v respectively. Their inertia are in the ratio. Okay, I will tell you. See here. श्रेया समझ में आया? नहीं है? Momentum of A ball by momentum of B ball. A ball का momentum mass of A into velocity of A by mass of B into velocity of B. You don't know how to take ratios also? Maths में पढ़ाया होगा. In earlier classes only. Mass of A. What is mass of A? It is told that mass of A is m in the ratio. Mass of A ball is m. Velocity of A ball is 2v. And mass of second ball is 2m. Velocity of second is v. So mv cancel. 2 cancel. 1:1. Now in the case of the second problem, the next problem, fifth problem के केस में देखोगे तो अभी बताओ क्या है? It is m into 3v divided by 3v into
3m into v.
sorry 3m into v. Correct, Sharon is doing correctly. mm cancel, v cancel, 3 cancel. Again the answer is same, 1:1. For any case the answer is 1:1 coming. But doesn't mean that हर problem में ऐसे ही आएगा, कुछ और आ सकता है. 1:4 और 1:8 डाल देंगे तब तुमको आंसर डिफरेंट आ जाएगा. So for the fourth one the answer is C and fifth one answer is C. The sixth one, derive the relationship between force equal to mass into acceleration. So second law of motion you will derive. Next, seventh one, state Newton's second law of motion. What is second law of motion?
The rate of change of momentum of a body is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of motion.
That is the best one we can. The rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the applied unbalanced force acting on the body, because unbalanced compulsory. Next, give reasons. Athlete stop slowly after finishing a race. Application of third law. Application of second law. Okay. China ware is packed with soft materials during transportation. Why?
Force that is
Exactly. Impact of force to reduce, we are using soft safeguarding material. The forces acting in tensile direction or compressive direction, whatever it might be. That forces are being countered here by using the bubble wrap. Now here onwards we are going to start with the problems. We have home assignment also left, problems with home assignment. You need to do all those. Leave exercise ko chhod do. But this we need to do. So acceleration produced by a force of 5 Newton acting on a mass of 10 kg is how much? It is asked. Mass equal to 10 kg. So what is the acceleration is asked. So acceleration equal to force by mass. Already we know. So force is how much? 5 Newton. What is the mass? 10 kg. So it is equal to half, 0.5 meter per second square. Battery coming low. Okay, next problem. 10th problem. A force acts for 0.1 seconds on a body of mass 12 kg. Not 12, is 1.2. 1.2 kg. Initially at rest. The force then creates an that is cut here. Pado.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొక ఫోటో తీసాను
Okay, got it. Another photo is there. A force acting on 0.1 second. Time second is how much time it is acting is 0.1 second on a body of mass. Mass is 1.2 kg. Initially at rest. It is at rest. The force then ceases to act and the body moves through 2 meters in the next 1 second. Find the magnitude of the force. So what is happening here? A body is the time of action of force is 0.1 second. There is a cause that is acting for 0.1 second. 1.2 kg. Force coming means immediately you should think that it is a numerical on chapter number 2. So mass is 1.2 kg, which is initially at rest, u0. The force then ceases to act and then body moves through a distance of 2 meters in the next 1 second. This is time of action. This is time of response. Find the magnitude of force. Aim చేయాలి. Distance is given, so you have to go with, see, 3 parameters are given na. Numerical law first chapter you go again. 3 parameters are given, you can find any parameter, so you go for finding what? V. Where is acceleration here? पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं, किस लिए कर रहे हैं. From here you will get acceleration. It should be clear, it is not law. What is it? Now what is S? This will become 0. U0 na? Equal to half into acceleration into time. Time how many seconds? 1 second is the effect time. 1 square. So acceleration equal to 4 meter per second square. Clear?
Yes.
Multiplication also you don't know, Sharon? Okay. So now you got acceleration. So now you can easily find what is the v. Now use your that common sense. What is a v?
Question
Yeah, yeah. U equal to 0. Therefore, this is 0. So a into t. A is 4 into time is 1 second. So 4 meter per second is the velocity. Whatever you do, everything is okay. Now we will go for force. Now we will come to second chapter. Now force equal to what? Mass into v minus u by time of effect of force. Application. Time of application of force. Because the force, the password.
L. మధ్యలో 3 dots.
Hmm. Hmm. So what is the mass? 1.2 kgs. What is the velocity? Final velocity 4 minus 0 by time is how much? 12 into 4 by 1. అంతేగా? Correct only, right? 12 force. 48.
24 న్యూటన్ ఇచ్చారు.
Mass is 1.2 only. That is wrong. This is only correct.
Maybe they found for 1 meter distance per meter. Because if we do for
Force is acting for 0.1 second only. You have to apply only for a force acts for 0.1 second on a body of mass 1.2 kg. Initially at rest, the force then ceases to act, and the body ceases to act means it stops acting, and then the body moves through 2 meters in the next 1 second. Find the magnitude of the force. The body moves in 1 second. So acceleration equal to 2 into 2, 2 meters only the distance moved. Half 2 into 2, 4 meter per second square. Correct है ना ये? यहाँ सब तो clear है. This force we are using to find out what is the V. If we do directly 4 into 1.2 also, you will get 4 meter per second. No. This acceleration should come to the normal state. This is the acceleration. 4 by 0.1. That should be the acceleration. 48 Newton is correct answer. Pakka. The problem there is wrong. So you can write it down. This is the answer. This is acceleration possessed by the body. I thought the mistake that they have done is 1 second they would have taken. Their mistake came. That's why. Yeah, इसको 0.2 होना चाहिए था. Sorry, 0.2 होना चाहिए था. 0.2 will be there, then it will be divided by 2, then it will 24. So this value they have given wrong in the question. It should be 0.2 seconds time of application. Don't ever mix time of application and time of response, because the force is seized. The force is seized. Very important. The force is seized. Many people do ना, ये TR दिख गया ना, इसको लेके आके तो डाल दोगे, ये इसको ये भूल ही जाओगे कि ऊपर एक वैल्यू था. You are getting my point?